Something strange is going on here this morning. We just bought a pack of King's Hawaiian rolls last night and I can't find them. Where are they? I always put them right here. See, there's bread here. I always put bread items here or either in the bread thing. They're not in there. Did we forget them at the store? Where did I put those King's Hawaiian rolls? Maybe they got left in the truck. Oh, they did. I hear them. Titus put his jacket over them. Victory! With these King's Hawaiian rolls, we're making French toast. And I thought about slicing them in half. We're just gonna leave them whole. We're gonna do like big French toast cubes. Okay, so I'm just gonna break them apart. We'll get us a pan out and some butter. I already got the butter right here. We're gonna mix our mixture up in this bowl back here. There's a lot of times during the holidays when I'll get these King's Hawaiian rolls and we end up having a lot left over. And this is something you can do with them. If you got extra rolls this holiday season, left over from Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner the next morning, you can make French toast with them. We'll just whisk our eggs up here. And go ahead and let my pan start warming up. Manly's watching some old Thanksgiving cartoons this morning. What's he looking for? He thinks that's a turkey. Gotta get the milk. Now we're gonna put some cinnamon. Just a little bit of nutmeg. And just a little bit of ginger. So they're almost gonna be gingerbread French toast cubes. Okay, let's see. I think I'll put just a little bit of sugar in here. About half a tablespoon. Okay, we'll spread out the butter. Okay, so we're just gonna dip it in the egg mixture. Let it kind of soak them in it since these are really thick. Go ahead and drop a few of them in there. Okay, we're going to put it on the pan and we're just going to cook it on all sides. Okay, I'm not going to let these start soaking until these are almost done. So we're just going to flip them, let them cook on all sides. And I'll make a little bit of bacon in here, I think.
That is really, really good.
I said this before with croissants. Remember when I made French toast with croissants and I was like, you will never want French toast with any other bread? I was wrong. King's Hawaiian.
Yeah.
You'll never want it with any other bread. That's amazing. It's like a little poofy pillow of, I don't even know.
Happiness.
Yes.
Today we're working this little horse here. He's a Mexican breed. I got quite a few Mexican cowboy friends. They like these type horses here. I'd get them where they don't buck and they're not afraid of stuff out in the world, so to speak, down the roads and vehicles or whatever the case may be. Get them where they'll neck rein around pretty good, where you can handle them with, you know, just one hand. See, I don't have to pull that horse around. I can just lay the rein on his neck. Once it gets to that level, then they can teach them to do what they do at their rodeos and their different shows and events. And that usually is something like they teach them to dance. He's doing real good.
Excuse that. That's decoration for fall. We need to be decorating for winter today. It's cold. I think what I'm about to do is probably put on some oyster stew for lunch. Let me show y'all how I do that. Now, Fallon don't really like oyster stew, everybody. But me, I like oyster stew. And I know Sissy don't like oyster stew. But Jonah likes it. We're just doing enough for me and Jonah today. So I'll get me an onion. I'll reach and grab my cutting board. And everybody don't like oyster stew.
I don't.
I know, bro. Get our butter. Turn our eye on. So this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. Put that in your pan. Your bowl, your pot, I'm sorry. Folks, I'm not a professional cook. You know what, I'm gonna put in 4 tablespoons. We're gonna just move that around like that right there, everybody. Let that get good and hot. Now let's go ahead and put our onion in. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Just put it right in there. That stuff's good. Kind of tastes like pepper. And I'm gonna go in with a few pinches of salt. You just do this to taste, however much you want as far as that goes. I'll do about that much. Then just a little bit of black pepper. I'll put me just a little bit of olive oil in there. We'll cook them onions down, get them soft. You can cut your onions up smaller than that if you don't like them that big. But everybody's different, you know. Believe it or not. We're all different here, folks. Let's just get real, everybody. I put too many onions in this. Get most of this oyster juice, not all of it, but most of it. Leave a little bit. So let's put our oysters in. You'll be surprised how good this is on a cold day, y'all. If you like seafood, you'll really like it. If you don't like seafood, you probably won't like it. Now we'll turn this down as we're fixing to add in our cream. I'm gonna go in with this is a cup. I'm gonna go in with a cup of cream. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with another cup of milk. So I got a cup of cream and a cup of milk. And I got it turned down, and we'll let that kind of start to simmer.
Are you enjoying that oyster stew?
Yes.
It's good stuff.
We're teaching Manly how to crack a walnut. Oh, it's a little sleepy. Watch your fingers, Sissy.
Okay.
Squeeze hard.
Wait.
Watch those thumbs, Sissy.
Them things are good.
We're trying to teach Manly how to do it, and it keeps slipping
You know, I
out.
used to not like walnuts.
Yeah,
I think it was that somebody gave me some,
bad ones.
yeah, it was on a banana split, I think. Where it all
Oh,
started.
okay. Oh, okay.
And they must have been bad,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like somebody should have thrown them away and got new ones, and it just marked, it just like, it put a mark on me.
I can smush one with my bow. I'm gonna get my bow real quick.
Okay. Now you got it.
Here I am like a little squirrel over here, and he's talking about,
He's going to get them a pizza. We're trying to figure out what we want to do if we want to go somewhere. The kids don't want to go anywhere. They want to watch movies and eat pizza.
It's movie night.
Yeah, Tyler was going to go and get their pizza, and he said, can I just take the sports van?
We got the baddest van. I'll tell you what, and I don't mean to sound arrogant.
Even our teenage boy wants to just take the sports van instead of his dually. Yeah, you can take the sports van. 1 cheese, 1 pepperoni.
I want the cheese.
It looks like someone had a piece on their way home. Where are we getting one from, Yona or?
We're going downtown.
Christoph's.
Yeah, we're going downtown to get a coffee.
We've never tried the coffee from Christoph's Caramel Corn and Coffee. We've had their caramel corn. We took y'all in there to get the caramel corn a little while ago, but we've never had their coffee. Have you had their coffee?
I hadn't had their coffee.
Whoever was in charge of the decorating this
good
year
job, yeah.
did
Well,
a
they
great
did a good
job.
job.
Yes. This is a pretty place to come and walk too. It has this little, you know, paved path. You can walk around, you go up under this little deal. They got some
look at this.
icicles hanging.
This is really nice. Mom.
Yeah. See, it's a little waterfall right here.
I've never been down this path myself. That is really pretty. Look at that.
This is the one that down there people always want to take their picture at, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Look at there. Goes all the way down.
Yeah.
This is pretty right here with this garland around this post. Really pretty. Look down through here. Starting to look like Christmas, everybody.
Yeah, it's starting to feel like it too.
It is. It's cold today.
Yeah. Here's Yona Coffee. It's right here on the corner. They got some muffins and cinnamon rolls. Oh, they're playing Christmas music, I think.
You can actually feel the Christmas spirit setting in.
Yeah, you can feel it. They're playing the Christmas music over the speakers. Somebody's backing up over here. Even the Sasquatch has a red scarf on over there. Okay, I got the turtle latte. It's white chocolate and caramel.
And I got
latte.
black coffee.
He's helping him keep the lights from getting hung on there.
Y'all have a good.
Happy anniversary! We're gonna go up here and get us a chocolate covered strawberry or two.
What the lady was telling us is that it's their anniversary.
Yeah,
And she was telling us that they were having a good time, basically.
right. And she tips that guy $5 instead of $1
yeah.
because it was their anniversary.
She said that she hoped they made it a few more, and I told her they will. As long as they don't make her mad.
Those apples look yummy.
It's cold out there today, ain't it?
Oh yeah, I stuck my head out there a while ago. I thought I'm going back in.
Yeah.
They got some samples right here. Oh, Santa fell over. We gotta fix him.
Oh, okay.
There you go. They have advent calendars. Oh, it found a little tater chip. See the tree over there? It's really pretty this year, y'all.
Y'all look how big these strawberries are. I mean, that thing right there. Look how
Oh,
big.
yeah.
He knows I'm friendly.
Is this a different one?
I don't know. I think it's the same
It's
one.
a different one, though. The other one was darker, I think.
He probably wants to come and be part of my cow catcher crew. If I can't find him, you know what I can do?
He can fly over and let you know where they are.
Just like Noah.
Look, there he is.
I'd say, send that thing out there and let him find them. If he's sitting on my shoulder, he's like, I'll find a cow.
Do we need to stand anywhere so like the whole tree's in
I
it?
got the whole tree there. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Wildwood.
We got some pretty ornaments here. Look at that. That's pretty. $24.95. Look at that. Look at that. Here's a little snowman. Let's see how much it is. $19.95. Here's a gingerbread one. $19.95. That's a big one for $19.95. Here's another little snowman. Oh, it's whistling. That's cute. Those are really pretty. They're getting the windows decorated.
Oh, St. Nick.
That's pretty.
Like y'all decorating for Christmas.
Oh, absolutely. Is it not gorgeous?
Yes.
He has
Very.
been working his butt off, I'm telling you.
Looks nice.
It
Yeah.
looks absolutely amazing. I'm super excited.
Look at that, y'all.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of those, I don't
Yeah. It says Bigfoot in there too.
think. Yeah.
And the little ones say Bigfoot. Alpine Christmas.
Okay.
Christmas
We're
ornaments.
getting ready to decorate our tree here.
Yeah, you want to see what's going on in there?
Because Thursday we'll go by.
Those are pretty. They got some of the trees and stuff over here. Just a small town Christmas. That's cute. Aren't they pretty?
They got some of the same stuff that they had in Pigeon Forge, baby. Look.
Yeah, they do.
Like this right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is very similar, ain't it?
Uh-huh. Merry Grinchmas. That's pretty. They are $35. Gingerbread cake mix. That's cute. Those are pretty.
I finally did it. It just started happening. I wasn't even wiggling.
You weren't?
It just crushed.